What's up, guys? It's Vegan Valley here. Now, today I made 5 different juices using all kinds of fruits and vegetables. I'll show you which juice I made. I'll put the color down in the description below, and then I'll put all the ingredients that goes with that juice. Yes, it's 5 different colors, different fruits, different vegetables. I'll put it down in the description below. Now, the reason I do juice is because I believe that the human body absorbs more nutrients using juices instead of eating the whole fruit. However, both of them are good. You can use either juicing or smoothie. It's the same thing to me, but I just prefer juicing because I feel you get more nutrients out of that. Less fiber. It also helps against cancer, cardiovascular disease, inflammatory diseases, arthritis. Makes your skin glow much, makes your skin heal, makes your body heal faster. You won't get sick as much. Many different types of benefits. So please stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll show you how I made these 5 different juices, and I'll just speed it up, play some music. By the end of the video, you'll be making your own juice. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. So as you can see, I'm cutting up the final fruit and vegetables. I'm grinding them in the juicer just to make this last drink. This drink was one of my favorites. Delicious drink. It came out like a lime green color. This one filled up all the way up to the top. uh, this is a great drink. I had fun making this. I hope you guys enjoyed it. These are all the 5 different juices here. Please like, comment, subscribe for more. Peace out.